We will win. In 1971, a boy graduated from English literature and journalism. His father, who was a laborer, is proud that his son is going to a college. George R. R. Martin wrote for 13 years after his graduation. In 1983, his fourth book was released, named as Armageddon Rag. The book was a flop. George R. R. Martin says that book was too flop and it ended my writing career. Then he started writing for TV shows, but the show was cancelled 2 times. Then he does small assignments for 10 years. Then he started writing a novel in 1991. In 1996, his first book was released, Game of Thrones. That book is not a hit that much, but those who take interest in fantasy novels become Martin's fans. And in 1999, next book was released. Then those fans didn't forget Martin, and his second and third book got mentioned in weekly bestseller book. And till 2005, he got many awards. Martin says that 10 years isn't waste of time. How the director thinks and how readers like the dialogue, I learned all that in 10 years with the network. What we can learn from George R. R. Martin? There are 3 things. Number 3, patience. Martin loves fantasy reading and writing from his childhood. He got his satisfaction in writing, but writing when he was struggling for 20 years need patience. He never gave up for 20 years. Martin says that if you have commitment and consistency, then it's just a matter of time. Consistency. His family was poor, but leaving his professor's job, he wrote for 20 years. 2 shows got cancelled and jobless for some times. Martin says that when I write for TV shows, then also I write with all my hearts, also on Sundays and Saturdays. And at that time, his novel got flop, but he was devoted to writing. I can say it with my guts that if Game of Thrones goes flop, then his next book will become successful because he can write in that time when it's not easy. Number 1, focus. The Game of Thrones series is 4 times more than the average series. Lord of the Rings, which also a long series, the Game of Thrones is almost twice of it, which means George R. R. Martin works on high quality along with high quantity. WhatsApp 4.0 300 KB is a very basic software. Martin DOS computer doesn't have any internet and other software or any graphic, but his computer does his most important work for him. It can write, by which he is completely distraction free and can maintain his speed and quantity. The minimum you need to succeed. George R. R. Martin, whose net worth is more than $13 million, who sold over 100 million books and who wrote over 2 million words. His computer can't even send emails. We always think that if I have this or that thing, or more intelligent, or more funds, then maybe I can succeed. Guys, think for 2 minutes that what is your life that you can simplify. What is the minimum you need to succeed? If you like this video, you also gonna like how to deal with failures. Play it now or watch it for later. And do subscribe the channel. We will win.